Hello, my friends. So, today I thought that we would play a game. This game is I Spy. Have you ever played it before? Well, I'm going to describe a farm animal, and you have to guess which one it is. Okay? All right, so I spy with my little eye an animal that is black and white. It makes milk for us to drink. Which animal is it? The cow or the chicken? The cow, right. A cow is black and white, and we can drink cow milk too. I spy with my little eye an animal that barks and people love to have as a pet. Is it the dog or the pig? The dog, correct. A dog barks, and a lot of people have dogs as a pet. But you know me, I have a pet pig too. All right, I spy with my little eye an animal that has 4 legs and a long tail. Which animal is it? The chicken or the horse? The horse. A horse has 4 legs and a long tail. I spy with my little eye an animal that is fluffy, hops around, and likes to eat carrots. Which animal is it? The rabbit or the duck? Excellent, the rabbit. A rabbit loves to hop around. It's fluffy and it likes to eat carrots. Next, I spy with my little eye an animal that has feathers and likes to crow early in the morning. Is it the frog or the rooster? The rooster. I spy an animal that has feathers and swims on a pond. Is it the mouse or the duck? The duck. The duck has feathers and it likes to swim on a pond. I spy an animal that says oink and likes to play in the mud. Is it the cow or the pig? The pig. I spy an animal that is small and likes to eat cheese. Is it the horse or the mouse? It's the mouse. A mouse is small and likes to eat cheese. I spy an animal that is small and likes to play with yarn. Is it the cat or the goat? A cat. Good. A cat is small and likes to play with yarn. I spy an animal that likes to swim and eat flies. Is it the duck or the frog? A frog. Good job. Frogs swim and eat flies. That reminds me of the 5 Little Speckled Frogs song. I spy an animal that is soft and loves to eat grass. Is it the sheep or the chick? The sheep. Sheep have very soft wool and they like to eat grass as well. I spy an animal that has a beak and likes to fly. Is it a mouse or a bird? A bird. And the last one, I spy a person who helps take care of the animals on the farm. Is it a mouse or a farmer? A farmer. Good job. Oh, let's do one more. Sorry. I spy something that helps the farmer drive around on the farm. Is it the farmer or the tractor? The tractor. Awesome job, everyone.